Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this one, we are going to be taking a look at my new two-cylinder engine. Now, before I start, I would like to say I apologize for the lack of quality in this video. It's a funny story actually, so unfortunately, my phone was dropped in my friend's pool, and this is what I normally use to record, and now it is broken, it is past, and so now I don't have a way to record high quality, so I'm actually using my iPad to do this because I don't have another camera, and until I get a new phone, which should be by next week maybe, I'm going to be having to record with my iPad, which kind of sucks because it does not have, it's an old one, and it doesn't have the best of quality. It's something I have to live for now. But yeah, so let's get right into it. Anyway, like I said, I have a new two-cylinder Lego vacuum engine, and let me tell you this right now, it produces a lot of power. And I got some of the smooth cylinder wall pieces like these ones and the ones here for the valve and back here too from my best friend Shay. He lives down the street from me, and he let me borrow these pieces for the smooth cylinder walls because I honestly don't have a lot of them, so he let me borrow those. Now it's a very smooth running engine, and in my next video I'm actually going to be testing this. I haven't tested it yet. I'm going to be hooking it up to this engine. So anyway, you didn't come here to listen to me blab on about it. Let's get a nice view of the inside of this engine. So, sorry for the shaky camera. Like I said, I don't have a tripod or anything that will fit the iPad. But anyway, here's the inside. As you can see, I've actually used the same throttle from my one cylinder, which I actually haven't made a video directly about yet, or if it completely running max throttle, but I do have the attempts in that. I'll put them up there maybe. But anyway, so here's the air splitter that splits the vacuum coming out from the throttle and into the two cylinders, and as you can see, the pistons are 180 degrees offset, and so are the valves, so that either this one or this one is constantly receiving power from the vacuum. And the cool thing about this one is, if one of the cylinders fail, like if the cylinder head comes off, the engine can still run because there's still vacuum going through into the other cylinder. And also, ignore that eyepiece because I couldn't find any other smooth top cylinders. But anyway, I think it sounds pretty cool, and if I were to, for some reason, swap the valve crank for a larger one, I bet it would sound really cool. Like maybe like a Briggs & Stratton or something, because, yeah. Anyway, I think it's time for us to run this engine, this powerful beast of an engine. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, it sounds really cool. I don't know if you can hear it or not. a different angle. I'm going to apply some torque to the crankshaft. I was pushing down pretty hard, so like I said, it produces a lot of power. So as you can see, it can run without a second cylinder head. Not as good, but it's still on. So anyway, guys, that's gonna about do it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. Like I said, I will be doing a video on my 3-speed connected to this engine. And yeah, so that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one.